YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We do have to do a little bit of Bitcoin breakdown because I know you guys are thirsty for it right now. Bitcoin is going absolutely crazy. And as you guys could see, just like we talked about, this rising wedge playing out, this was not a bullish play right here. And we started seeing that Bitcoin was indeed overbought, right? We did see a drop down all the way down to 68, and now Bitcoin creating a bear flag, guys. This is a bear flag forming on the 1 hour chart. I just want you guys to kind of see what I'm seeing. This is not a sign that we're breaking out of any resistance yet. Do not be fooled. But there is a lot going on in the market, and we can definitely capitalize if Bitcoin does decide to correct down with more, which again, guys, that's what we want. We really want Bitcoin to crack down more, because look at our relative strength index right here. As you guys could see on the 1 day, we're still very overbought. We're overbought right here. We're creating this head and shoulders pattern. I want this to play out sooner than later, but we'll see. I don't know. Maybe we bleed into the halving. I don't really know. Maybe Bitcoin decides it still wants to pump. As you guys could see also on this 1 month, look at this RSI. Look how high we were though way back here, back in March, when Bitcoin was pumping like crazy. And look, this is kind of where we're at right now. So again, we are in an overbought zone, and technically we've seen a lot of pullbacks in this overbought zone, right? We've seen it right here, and we dropped down, and we're kind of seeing it right here. So is that something that we can possibly be seeing with Bitcoin? Again, we'll just kind of have to see over time, but I want to show you guys right now, guys. The Solana blockchain is just going absolutely insane. A lot of these coins are pumping hundreds and thousands, as you guys could see, of percent. Even these coins up almost 100,000%. Imagine putting like $40 into a meme coin and it's shooting up like 20,000, 30,000. Like Tyrell's a coin that we literally talked about an hour ago, guys. This coin is already up like over 10,000% since we've talked about it, and we were talking about it just because the things on the Solana blockchain are going absolutely crazy. But guys, how do you get to know when the things on the Solana blockchain are going crazy? If you're not tapped into my channel, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and if you get quality out of these videos, please let me know in the comments below, because I'm busting my butt, guys. I'm putting out like so many videos today, but I feel like I have to, right? With Bitcoin in the state that it's in, I feel like you guys need extra videos. So I'm going to be covering a lot of these coins. How long is this Solana pump going to last? Also, like, why? Like, what is pumping Solana's blockchain so crazy? Like, let's see the price action that's going on with Solana. It's not even that much. Sol's just up 1.25%, but it just seems like the entire market right now clinging to the Solana blockchain. Maybe it's because the fees are cheaper. I don't know, but it just seems like a lot of people are playing into this Solana blockchain. So we'll kind of see what happens. Tyrell is a coin again that has pumped insane amount. These things are super volatile, man. I don't know. With a 2 million market cap, but again, it does have the volume. It's showing that it has the volume. It's definitely showing that it probably wants to retest some of these lower lows. But in my opinion, guys, if you're looking for good coins right now to get in on, Solana blockchain might not be bad. Here's another coin too that somebody had mentioned. I don't know anything, guys, about any of these coins. As you guys could see, though, this one is at $1.95 billion market cap. This is probably something that probably should have been on my radar. How is this not on my radar? I don't know how this one got away from me, but this one definitely got away from me because I haven't seen this thing, this little dog coin. Let's kind of check it out, right? Maybe let's see. It's like a dog with a hat. Is their website down? Are you serious? We'll try again. Nope, their website is down. Okay, so maybe that's not the website, or I don't know, but it's linked here on Dextools, so that's kind of weird. But this coin is also one that can possibly see some upside. Maybe it's retesting some lower resistance down here. This might be a good position that you might want to get in on. I don't know. With a $1.95 billion market cap, maybe we can do better than that, boys. Let's see if we can find some better coins. Look at Andy. Andy's looking like a fun cartoon coin. This might do pretty well. $25 million market cap. This thing launched on the 7th. So shout out to all you guys that were looking at and getting into this coin over here. You definitely were early on this one. Some of these guys are up really big. But can this thing have more upside? Only time will tell, boys. Let's take a look at the website and take a look at the project in general. They look like they have a little game. That's pretty cool. That's not bad. But yeah, they have a Twitter. They have a Telegram. Their website looks like it was, I don't know. This is it? I don't know. I guess. But yeah, they have a game. It looks like they're coming out with, so we can kind of see what's gonna happen with that. You could view the contract also right here just by clicking Sol Scan, and you can see all the transfers. You can see the total supply, all the transactions that have been happening. It tells you how many holders also are in this, and yeah, it tells you markets also where you can get this coin, where this is traded at. So these are all websites where you can go get this stuff. Some people ask me, Jay, how do you get stuff on the Solana blockchain? Well, guys, you can always go over to the Sol Scan right here, and you can click what markets are selling this if you want to save some money on some transaction fees. Radium, you can get a lot of this stuff also, so I like that website too. But I'm not endorsing that website. I don't endorse any of these websites, not even Dextools, guys. I love Dextools. I use Dextools every day. I love the multi-chart. Look how beautiful this thing is, man. You can have open like 10 charts at one time. This is great, guys, but I don't endorse any of these websites. I don't suggest that you connect your wallet to any of these websites. I just use these websites because I don't need to sign into anything, and I could just benefit off of it. So if you like that kind of stuff, if you like when I give you guys tools like Dextools to use, and when I show you stuff like solscan.io, then make sure you're hitting that subscribe, bro, because we're learning. You're learning, bro. I'm telling you, this, I made a lot of money in this market, guys, and the times to make money are like right now, guys. Like, people are very bullish on Bitcoin right now. Even though we're seeing some volatility, Bitcoin is still looking super solid. It's actually looking too solid. That's the problem. The problem is that Bitcoin is looking too solid. As you guys can see, our greed index right now, we're at a 92% greed index. And I'm telling you guys, one thing that we talk about on this channel is when they are greedy, we are fearful. And when they are fearful, we are greedy. That's why we were able to talk about Bitcoin when it dropped down to 16,000, and why I was telling you guys, man, this might be the last accumulation zone. This is why I made videos at $30,000 Bitcoin saying, man, guys, I don't know if we're going to see another $30,000 Bitcoin. Well, guys, these zones of accumulation are just that, guys. If Bitcoin decides that it wants to drop down even more, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin wants to drop down, even down, and see some of these lower lows in the 60s range. I wouldn't be surprised, boys, but in my opinion, that's a blessing. Again, that's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. I like the way the Bitcoin looks on the long term. The logarithmic chart telling me that this ain't nothing but an accumulation zone. This ain't my first rodeo, boys. You guys know that. You guys have seen me for a long time talking about this stuff. But again, Bitcoin RSI, we just too overbought, bro. We're too overbought, and this is looking like we're gonna see some sell-off. But again, could always be wrong. I'm not always right. I'm usually right. I'm right a lot of the time, boys. Am I right a lot of the time? I think I'm right a lot of the time. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at JTalksCrypto. And I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.